Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maham Khan and I am from class 8B. Today our topic of presentation is density of liquid. Now you are seeing a clear beaker here and there are 4 different types of liquid in it. So you can see honey has different density. It means honey has a high density, so it is on the below, and vegetable oil has a less density, so it is on the top. And water and this soap has a medium density. Means it has not high and not less, it has medium density. And that's our topic. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maikidaz and I am from grade 8B. Today I am here to represent a topic of physics, which is refraction of light. Refraction of light is a topic where light passes from one medium to another, where it bends itself or changes its direction. This bending or changing of direction is known as the refraction of light. I will show you experiment regarding this topic, which is very easy and you can easily understand it. So here we are having a beaker and pencil. If we put pencil inside the beaker, so it will not look straight. It will not passes the through straight line. It will just bend itself a little. This is because of refraction of light. So thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Danish and I'm from class 8B. Today our presentation topic is non-Newtonian fluid. Basically it is a fluid that changes properties when a force or stress is applied to them. Basically some everyday examples are toothpaste, ketchup, oblique. It is an oblique. When we punch it, it will not go inside, but if we put a finger, it will go inside.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maryam bint Aqib and I am the student of grade 8. Today I am standing in front of you to represent the topic, the flame test. A flame test is a classic technique in analytic chemistry used to identify the presence of different metal ions based on the characteristic color they emit when heated. For example, potassium produces a pale violet and copper produces a aqua color. In conclusion, the flame test is a quick way to identify different metal ions.
A very good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali and I am from class grade 8. Today our topic is pH detector. pH detector is very helpful in our daily life. It helps to measure however acidic or basic our food is. If you put red litmus paper into surf, look, it will change from red litmus paper into blue. It is basic. And if we put blue litmus paper into lemon juice, it will change from blue litmus paper to red. It is basic. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficial. My name is Sayyida Hiba Fatma and I am from 8B. And today we are presenting amoeba and paramecium. In our daily life, we are surrounded by many bacteria, and these two are one of those. Actually, 2 of those. These are unicellular microorganisms, and we have a slide over here, which is this is amoeba and this is paramecium. Amoeba, we can see, does not have a fixed shape because it changes itself according to the pseudopodia, which is false feet, and we have paramecium, which has a fixed shape like a slipper and move using false feet. This has a fixed shape and these are found in fresh water like ponds and lakes, and if we consume that water they can give us many diseases. But on the other hand, amoeba, it can be found in other organisms as parasites, and they can consume their nutrients for them to regrow, reproduce and survive. Thank you.
किसे खबर थी एक ऐसा दौर भी आएगा।
Hi mom.
बच्चा बड़े स्कूल जाएगा और सलाम करना भूल जाएगा। लोग अजीब तरह सजने लगेंगे और सुबह शाम कानों में घुंघरू बजने लगेंगे। महंगे लिबास की लालच तहजीब की धज्जियां बिखेर देगी। किसे खबर थी कि घर आए मेहमान को अपने हाथों से बनी गर्म चाय की जगह जज्बों से खाली इस ठंडी काली कोल्ड ड्रिंक पे टरखाया जाएगा। अरे बदलना है तो बदलो, पर ऐसे नहीं कि ये जिंदा रवायत खोने लगे, तुम्हारी पहचान गुम होने लगे। अपनी तहजीब की हिफाजत करो, वाइटल पियो, जिंदगी जियो।
Assalamu alaikum and good morning. My name is Momna Sajjad. I am a student of grade 8. Today my chemical experiment is about lava lamp. Lava lamp is made of the materials just like empty jar. This is the most important ingredient that we use to make it. And water, food color, vinegar, vegetable oils and baking soda. Baking soda is the main ingredient and vinegar because vinegar contains ethonic acid which makes this. And the sample I made is just like that. We put baking soda first and then vegetable oil. After that in the separate container we put vinegar, food color and glitter to enhance it, and we pour inside that and the reaction happened like that, and the bubbles that form upside you can watch from here, and the reaction is still working, and because of ethonic acid they can't mix together. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Javeria Wasim and I am from class 8B. Today my class fellows and I am going to represent DNA, the structure of DNA. This is a structure of DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and this is formed by thymine, cytosine, adenine and guanine. These are actually the nitrogenous bases that are combined together, and it is a genetic information that passes from our parents to us, like our hair color, eye color, earlobes, weight, height and etc. Every chromosome in our body contains one long DNA molecule. DNA is a sort of plan that determines how our body is working, and every cell carries a copy of it. DNA can replicate itself. It means it can make its copies, and these are which is essential during cell division. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maria Mustafa and I am a student of class 8B. Today our team is going to present you digestive system of frog versus human. Digestive system is the main part of our body which help us to break down our food into pieces. We chew our food many times so it can be diluted with digestive juices. Here we are presenting frog because the structure of human and frog digestive system are more similar. We have liver of frog here, we have stomach and small intestine because we in human we have large and small intestine both, which is 9 meter long. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. Myself Midra Margoob, I study in grade 8A. Today our school is converted into a science lab and our experiment name is elephant toothpaste. It is a hot foamy substance and it is a chemical reaction which occurs when many chemicals are based together like home stuff like detergent, so baking soda, vinegar, which is also known as acetic acid too. And it is an example of exothermic reaction. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Huda Wasim, belonging from the class 8B. So today my topic is electroplating. Electroplating is a process of coating a metal with a thin layer of another metal. This is a solution of electrolyte. When we put these charges, this charge is called positive charge is known as anode and the negative charge is known as cathode. When we put them in this solution electrolyte, which contains copper sulfate plus water, it will change color and it will coated by copper. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zabia Zashan and I am the student of class 8A. Today my topic is about 3D model of human skeleton. The human skeleton is the internal framework of our body. It is made up of 206 bone in adults and gives shape, support and protection to our organ. For example, the skull protects the brain and the ribcage protects the heart and livers. Bone also help us move by working with our organ. Inside some bone is bone marrow which make blood cells. Joints like knees and elbows help bones to move fastly. Without the skeleton, we would not be able to stand, walk, or even sit. Thank you.
किसे खबर थी एक ऐसा दौर भी आएगा।
Hi mom.
बच्चा बड़े स्कूल जाएगा और सलाम करना भूल जाएगा। लोग अजीब तरह सजने लगेंगे और सुबह शाम कानों में घुंघरू बजने लगेंगे। महंगे लिबास की लालच तहजीब की धज्जियां बिखेर देगी। किसे खबर थी कि घर आए मेहमान को अपने हाथों से बनी गर्म चाय की जगह जज्बों से खाली इस ठंडी काली कोल्ड ड्रिंक पे टरखाया जाएगा। अरे बदलना है तो बदलो, पर ऐसे नहीं कि ये जिंदा रवायत खोने लगे, तुम्हारी पहचान गुम होने लगे। अपनी तहजीब की हिफाजत करो, वाइटल पियो, जिंदगी जियो।
Assalamu alaikum. I am Ms. Vaini, academic coordinator of the Smart School Senior Campus. Today we are organizing the event of the Science Spark, Igniting Minds with Lab Discoveries. Basically आज का हमारा ये मकसद था कि हम अपने बच्चों की क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग को इन्हेंस करें और बच्चे हैंड्स ऑन एक्टिविटी आप पेरेंट्स को कर दिखाएं, और पेरेंट्स ने इस चीज़ को बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया, क्योंकि जब हम बात करते हैं साइंस की तो हमें बियॉन्ड द साइंस जाना चाहिए और बच्चों की क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग को इन्हेंस करना चाहिए। तो ये एक स्मार्ट स्कूल शादमान कैंपस की एक बेहतरीन काविश थी जिसे हमने आज फुलफ़िल किया और पेरेंट्स ने हमें बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया। थैंक यू सो मच।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, माय नेम इज़ आयशा काशिफ, आई एम ए टीचर ऑफ उर्दू ऑफ स्मार्ट स्कूल। आज हमने एक साइंस एग्जीबिशन का इनेकाद किया था और इसका मकसद ये था कि हम एक स्मार्ट और प्रैक्टिकल एजुकेशन को इंट्रोड्यूस करवा सकें, जो कि हमारा लोगो है। थैंक यू सो मच।
Assalamu alaikum. I am Pasha of Smart School teacher. I just want to request parents kindly encourage your child's or children's to approach different theoreticals, practicals and innovative ways.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Ahmad at the Smart School Shadman Secondary Campus. We are here in the Science Spark. We organize the Science Spark exhibition for the students to encourage them to the theoretical courses as they are going from 8th class to the 9 or metric grades. So that is very important there for their life to encourage as a science in a science exhibition as well, or in their future field as well. Thank you so much. Encourage your students to learn so many things like science, IT and so many other courses like their logics. थैंक यू सो मच।
हाय, दिस इज़ आदिल खान। उस वक्त मौजूद हूँ दी स्मार्ट स्कूल में, जहाँ पे अगर मैं कहूँ शादमान कैंपस की बात करूँ तो जिस तरह साइंस एग्जीबिशन इन्होंने बच्चों के लिए लगाया और जिस तरह बच्चों ने प्रेजेंट किया, तो मैं यहाँ पर ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगा कि ये एक अच्छा जेस्चर है उन तमाम स्कूल्स के लिए, क्योंकि अब ये चीज़ें थोड़ी सी कम देखने में आती है, लेकिन मैं चाहूँगा कि जितने भी स्कूल्स हैं वो इसी तरह अपने बच्चों को मॉरल सपोर्ट करें ताकि वो बच्चे एक्सप्लेन कर सकें आने वाले वक्त में कि कितना ज़रूरी है साइंस के बारे में बात करना या फिर उन तमाम चीज़ों को रिप्रेजेंट करना कितना ज़रूरी है। ये मैं एक बार फिर दी स्मार्ट स्कूल का शुक्रिया अदा करूँगा कि मुझे उन्होंने इनवाइट किया, मेरी टीम को इनवाइट किया और हम यहाँ आए और जितना खूबसूरत तरीके से उन्होंने इसको सजाया है ये आप विंडो पे देख रहे होंगे। बहुत शुक्रिया।
वाइस प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ऑल द 3 branches of the Smart School Shadman campus. We are having 3 campuses: secondary, primary and pre. This is secondary campus where we are having this exhibition, you can say, or the activities that students are forming. Actually, this is parent-teacher meeting day basically, and we are supposed to hand over the result of the second assessment to the parents. We want actually to show that we are not giving only the marks and not only the assessment. We are focusing, rather we are focusing on the wholesome development of our children who are capable to perform their learning, and they can give any answer of any question spontaneously as to them. They perform and they are learning by doing. This is a very smart projected area, botany area, as well as it's covering the Earth Day that has recently passed. We want to show that each and every small plant is important because big trees are once in a small plant. So they have grown themselves. This is all the working of the students, and inside what you have seen, this is their performance learning by doing. And parents should know that we are doing not only with the marks, not only with the data, but with their personality development. Thank you very much.
किसे खबर थी एक ऐसा दौर भी आएगा।
हाय मॉम।
बच्चा बड़े स्कूल जाएगा और सलाम करना भूल जाएगा। लोग अजीब तरह सजने लगेंगे और सुबह शाम कानों में घुंघरू बजने लगेंगे। महंगे लिबास की लालच तहजीब की धज्जियां बिखेर देगी। किसे खबर थी कि घर आए मेहमान को अपने हाथों से बनी गर्म चाय की जगह जज्बों से खाली इस ठंडी काली कोल्ड ड्रिंक पे टरखाया जाएगा। अरे बदलना है तो बदलो, पर ऐसे नहीं कि ये जिंदा रवायत खोने लगे, तुम्हारी पहचान गुम होने लगे। अपनी तहजीब की हिफाजत करो, वाइटल पियो, जिंदगी जियो।
ये जिद्दी दाग निकालते निकालते कपड़े तो खुरदुरे हो जाएंगे।
बिल्कुल नहीं, सर्फ एक्सेल का नया अलग अंदाज। ये जिद्दी दाग निकाले पर इनके सॉफ्ट पर्ल्स रखे कपड़े नर्म और मुलायम।
सॉफ्ट
सर्फ एक्सेल, दागों पर सख्त, कपड़ों पर नर्म।
Blaze it. I need a buzz. You can feel the burn. I feel the burn. Blaze it. Knorr. 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 इसका मैजिक ही और।
यही सुनते देखते हम बड़े हो गए, मगर अब सुनिए एक अच्छी खबर। लज्जत ने थाम लिया है सेहत का हाथ, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान में पहली बार मलका रेसिपी मसालों में शामिल है 100% नेचुरल वाइटल हिमालयन पिंक सॉल्ट। हर खाने में लज्जत, हर निवाले में सेहत। मलका में पकाएं, बेफिक्री से खाएं।